Morning, everybody. It is a gloomy day. I forgot, I'm not supposed to tell you what day it is. Anyway, today is Sunday. Today is the day of the Super Bowl. But I'm not a football fan, so I don't actually watch football. But whoever's playing, I'm sure one of the teams will win. That's usually how it works, right? Anyway, I'm heading to work. It's a little after 8, and I work 9 to 5-ish today, and then I'm going to head to church and see Emily. So you guys are going to be with Emily most of the day, and then you'll see me later this afternoon, well, later this evening actually. So anyway, I'll see you after work.
What are you doing?
Morning exercises.
Just one arm?
Guess so.
Austin. Puppy.
Austin, look at Emmy. Where's Emmy? Where's Emmy?
Dad, how long are you gonna do that?
He's getting a lot of extra.
I'm at the mall. And there's a train. Going through the mall. What? Why? Andrew! Silver slug bug. I'm so winning.
Just going in circles and you didn't want to say anything?
Austin, what are you doing? Hmm? What? What was that? What was that?
I'm done with work. Oh my goodness, such a long day. And now I am heading to church. So this is probably going to be the best part of my day because I didn't have that great a day at work. So anyway, I have the next 3 days off, and it's going to be fun. So I will see you at church with Emily. Yay! Look at Emily's boots.
I got 17 cards.
I'll take the one that tastes best.
Hey, what are you doing? Hi, Jeff.
Hi, Andrew. How are you?
Good.
What do you like? What do you got?
Smells good in here. Very good.
It's just chicken.
I know. Emily, guess what?
You love
They have. Well, yeah, I know that. I do. Yes. Anyway, they have more stuff for us. Look at all these donations.
We have 10 bags.
We have 10 bags. Well, we had one last week, and we.
There's Sarah.
Hey, look, there's Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hola.
Look at all this stuff. Awesome.
It's all going in your car.
I think you should wear that all the time.
It doesn't fit. Do you think I can just glue it right there? On my...
Yeah. Well, it's Emily's time to go back to
Athens.
Athens.
Greece.
Yep, Athens, Greece. You got a long flight tonight.
Yeah.
No, she's silly. Anyway, I gotta go home and vlog because Emily only has like 1 minute of footage today. What's wrong with you? Sounds like you've been smoking for 20 years.
No.
You've been
don't.
smoking all your life except for when you started up when you were 2 years old?
I don't.
Listen to her. You okay? Here. Take a drink. Jiminy.
I don't smoke.
I know you don't. It's just fun. You okay? Okay. So, now that Emily's over her coughing
just
fit.
bit me.
Something bit you? Hey,
Yeah.
you never did tell the
I
people
know.
about why you didn't sleep in your own bedroom for like 3 years.
They don't know about that.
No, you never told them.
3 years.
Well, 1 year, I don't know. How long was it?
Well, it started from when the time I met you until like
So about a year.
it hasn't lasted a year. It was like a couple months, Andrew.
Like 3-4 months.
Yeah, it was whatever it
boy.
was. It was like a ginormous rat on my face or something, which is probably just a cockroach. But I freaked out anyways because I felt it. I was so comfortable, and I got comfortable under my comforter, and all of a sudden I felt something scratching it. And so I turned on the lights real quick, and whatever it was jumped on my face and then fell on the floor and ran away. And I was too
didn't see
freaked
it?
out. Well, I was freaking out and screaming, and I wasn't paying attention to what it looked like. So I never slept in my room. Like after
you
that.
sleep in your room anymore?
My room is now a scrapbook room, so I can't.
That's right. Ow! Oh! Oh, I flipped the camera around and I about broke my shoulder. No, it felt like a needle going through my collarbone.
Something pinching.
Oh my gosh. Ow.
You're funny.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. So that's the story of me not sleeping in my room because
Because a
the
rat
monster
bit your
in my
face.
bed. It pinched my face. Whatever it was pinched
Maybe it
my
was a
face, and there was a
lobster.
mark on my face.
Maybe it was a lobster.
It was not. Why would there be a lobster crawling all over my bed? It was either a rat or those ginormous, as big as your hand, cockroaches.
Oh, no wonder you're not very bright. I forgot to turn the light on. Ellie, you're hilarious.
No, I'm not.
Why in the world would there be a lobster in my bed? Because maybe your dad got it from Walmart. It's still alive, and he put it in your bed. Telling on Emily. I blame you, Emily.
Oh, no.
All right. Well, it looks like we have enough footage now because Emily's been just talking your leg off here, which is awesome. Talking about cows and
6 minutes plus the minute that I have and the 2 minutes that you have.
they average like 7 to 10 minutes.
What? I wasn't. What you said.
What was that? It wasn't in the movie we watched the other day. It was another one where that happens to someone. You have that disease.
No, I don't.
She'll be like talking and then all of a sudden she's like,
No.
what?
What movie was that?
I just totally spaced out. What?
We did watch that movie. What was
It
that?
wasn't that. It wasn't Rango. It was another movie.
No, it was Ranko.
No.
It was that girl who froze.
I know, but it happened in another video.
I don't think so. I
Yeah.
think not one that I watched with you.
It did. I saw it once. There's Dave out there. You can't really see him. He's got a guitar.
Did you ask him about our song?
No, I forgot. I blame you.
You should
Anyway.
ask Cage.
Maybe I will. All right. Well, we're gonna end the day
I
because
thought we were already doing
Emily's
that.
just talking
Well, that's
your
just
leg
because I
off.
don't want to go to Athens, so I'm
You
just gonna
have
sit
to.
here and talk.
It's 8:01, Emily. It's time to
I
go
don't wanna
home.
go to school anymore.
You have to. You gotta go to
I don't
school.
have to.
Gotta go to school.
I know. Get away from my nose!
She doesn't like that much.
Would you like somebody pointing a camera up your nose?
Sure.
I don't think so.
Okay. See you later.
That's it? I don't want the day to be over.
Say it.
No.
Emily won't say goodbye, so I'm saying goodbye for her. Goodbye.
No!
Say it then.
Goodbye.